Hi guys and welcome to my channel. This monsoon I decided to go and see for myself Valley of Flowers and Hemkund Sahib, which is located in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. I reached Haridwar by train from Kolkata, which took me around 28 hours. After seeing the famous Ganga Aarti at Ghat, I spent one night at Rishikesh and took a bus to Govindghat at 6 am in the morning. You can also stay at Joshimath, but I prefer to stay at Govindghat as the trek would begin from here next day. So I've just started from Govindghat. So we were staying there, Hotel Mehta, and abhi baj rahe almost 6:15 in the morning. So our plan for today is to reach Ghangria first and then Valley of Flowers करके वापस Ghangria में stay का plan है आज. And कल we'll go towards Hemkund Sahib. So let's see. So with me I have Shailendra today, who's walking ahead there. So it's just the two of us this time. So let's see how it goes. So हमें गाड़ी मिल गई है till Poolna and so it's around 5 kilometers till Poolna from Govindghat. So we're taking this car. So we've just started our trek from Poolna and अभी जा रहे हैं घांगरिया की तरफ. So देखते हैं कितना टाइम लगता है. So we have walked around 4 kilometers and around 5 more to go. और मुझे मिल गए. नाम बताओ अपना.
नाम सतवंत.
कहाँ से हो?
सतवंत सिंह फ्रॉम पंजाब.
ओके. और इनकी वाइफ आगे चल रही है. घांगरिया पहुंच ही गए वो रहा. एंड दिस इज द हेलीपैड. सुबह से 4 हेलीकॉप्टर दिख गए हमें. सो ये है स्टार्टिंग ऑफ वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स ट्रैक एंड यहाँ कराना पड़ता है एंट्री. So we're about to enter Valley of Flowers. ये लास्ट का 1 kilometer. So the steep section is over. Now it's gradual downhill mostly. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of our trek and today we are going towards Hemkund Sahib and it's around 5:30 We started at 4:45 a.m. Hi guys, so I've covered almost 3 kilometers now, and I've been trekking for around 2.5 hours. Today is not a very good day. I don't know why. Reason nahi pata, but I'm really slow. So this is a shortcut after around 4 point some kilometers, but I'm taking the long route here because I'm tired. So last few meters of the trek is left. Bas right there. So we are going back, going down to Govindghat today. Maybe Joshimath. Badrinath का भी plan है, but I don't know if the roads are okay. We might go. So हम finally Ghangria पहुंचने वाले हैं. It's just right there. And this is the point जहाँ से अगर आप left लेते हैं तो this is Valley of Flowers, and this side will be Hemkund Sahib. So the trek is almost done, and this point is about like 10 minutes from Ghangria. So बस हमारा खत्म आज का ट्रैक फिलहाल.